Welcome to another slow float. This one is mostly done seated, meant to be a nice, easy, gentle warm-up for all levels. There is a small portion that is on the hands and knees that you are welcome to skip. If you need any additional props, like maybe a blanket to place underneath the knees or a block to sit up onto, have that handy. And whenever you're ready, we will begin seated onto the mat. Begin in a seat in the center of your mat. Take a few breaths to roll the neck in half circles, dropping the head forward, guiding your ear from shoulder to shoulder, eventually working the neck all the way around. Pausing to breathe into any spaces that might feel especially tight or tense, and then changing direction whenever you feel ready to. And guide left ear towards left shoulder. Bring your left hand onto the side of your head and take a few breaths here, applying very gentle pressure. With your inhale, guide your head back through center, and as you exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Hand catches the side of the face. A few breaths here. Inhale to come to center. Exhale, remove the hand. Inhale, guide your shoulders up to your ears, and as you exhale, slide them onto your back. Starting to work into larger motions, sweeping your arms behind you. Place your left hand onto left knee. Sweep right arm behind you and then overhead. Taking a few breaths here, inhaling to open, exhaling to guide the arm back. This time, as you inhale to open, exhale, plant the right hand behind you and taking a gentle twist here. Inhale to come back through center. Exhale, right hand onto right knee. Sweep the left arm behind you and in front. Using your inhale to open you and your exhale to close you back. A few of these. Using your exhale to plant hand behind you. Keep your right hand onto your right knee. A few breaths in this space. And when you're ready to come out, do so with an inhale. Interlace your fingers behind you, and as you exhale, fold forward, guiding your forehead into the earth, reaching the hands away from your shoulders. With your exhale, slowly lower hands to low back. And exhale to come up. Straighten your legs out in front of you, and use your inhale to guide your right knee into the chest, cradling the calf, rocking it from side to side, gently opening up the hip. If it's a little too difficult to have the left leg straightened, you can also bend that knee, providing a little extra support. Straighten the leg out in front of you, and as you exhale, bend the knee into the chest. Inhale to extend your leg. Exhale, bring right leg down to mat. Inhale, draw left knee in, cradling calf. A few breaths here. Use your inhale to extend the right leg out. Exhale, bend knee into chest, and inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend knee into chest. Inhale, lengthen. One last time. Inhale, lengthen. And lower left leg down to meet right. Create some space underneath your sits bones. Point and flex through your toes. Roll the ankles one direction and then the other. One at a time or both. Add a slight bend into your knees and begin to tap the inner edges of your calves and the outer edges, working your way up into the backs of the thighs and the inner edges, up into the hip creases, and the sides of the hips and legs, into your lower back, through low belly, into the sides, Run the fingertips along the rib cage and through the back of the body. And tap into the chest, into the arms, all the way up into shoulders. Just being very gentle. And getting the blood flow and circulation moving. Maybe working into a little bit of massage into the neck. Making sure to get behind the ears, into the jaw. And also face as well can feel really nice. Open and close your jaw a few times, just loosening any tension you might be subconsciously holding. Make your way onto your hands and knees and turn the fingertips to face yourself so that your wrist creases and elbow creases face the front of the mat. And gently stretch into the space. Flip onto the top of right palm and turn the left fingertips back to the front of the mat. And switch sides, turning right palm forward and flipping onto the back of the left hand. Turn your fingertips to the sides of your mat and begin to gently rock from side to side and stretching into a different part of the forearms and wrists. Flip the palms forward again. Curl the toes underneath and begin to send your hips back towards your heels, stretching out the feet. Breath or so here. Uncurl the toes and begin to tap onto the tops of the feet. And releasing any pressure, any tightness there. Begin to round into the shoulders, tucking chin into chest, pressing all the breath out. Use your inhale to arch into your back, gaze forward, separate sits bones. Exhale, press back into cat pose. Inhale, come through cow, letting the lower belly drop like a hammock. Exhale, round into the back one last time. And inhale to come through neutral. Guide your hips and your gaze to the left and then the right. See curving into your side body. Adding any other movement that might feel good to you here on your hands and knees. Come to sit onto your heels. If this is a little bit too intense, you're also welcome to sit onto a block or a few. Wrap the right arm over top of the left, interlacing palms together or pressing the backs of the hands. Gentle stretch to the shoulders. Wrap hands to shoulders and guide your chin to your chest. Release and switch sides, wrapping the left arm over top of right. Again, guiding fingertips to the palm or backs of hands together. Breath or two here. Release the arms out wide, opening up the shoulders. Exhale, interlace the fingers behind your low back. Guide the hands to the outer edge of left hip as you gaze over left shoulder. Switch sides, guiding hands to the outer edge of right hip and gaze to the right. Release the hands, bringing them to heart center. Point them downwards, so a little extra added stretch to the wrist. And bring the hands back to heart center. And this concludes today's practice. I hope you enjoyed. Leave any comments, what you liked, maybe things that you'd like to see in the next video. Like and also subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Namaste.